I started on an apprenticeship scheme, and through that I got the opportunity for an interview at Cranfield Precision. I had my interview and came for a look round, and was really interested in the type of work they were doing. Some of the machines that they were putting together, just couldn't really comprehend some of the tolerances that they were working to and the sort of variety of machines that were being built on the shop floor. I'm a mechanical technician, so mainly involves the build of high precision machines. Then after the build, there's also the installation on site, wherever that might be in the world, and then the service and maintenance of those machines once they're on the customer's site. The travel side of the role is really great, seeing so many different places, cultures, different people. I've had some great training and support over the years at Cranfield Precision, so I'm hoping to take that and progress to workshop manager.